I look forward to coming back stronger in the next one.
Now, despite being drawn in a tougher pool at the upcoming Tokyo 2025 Summer Deaflympics in Japan, the Kenya women's deaf volleyball team have set an ambitious target of clinching a medal in the games scheduled for November 15 to 26th.
From last year, we've been preparing and we've been training. We aim to bring home a medal. The training has been good. We are just aiming for gold, so that we can make our Kenya proud. The team is good, the improvement is there. We are only pushing. The coach is working and giving a lot of training so that they can improve in their skills and their technical skills in the field, in spiking, in jumping, in receiving, defense, and different positions.
I know there is a history in the pool that we are in. We are with Italy, Japan, USA. I know those are the powerhouses in volleyball, but we are up to the task, and we promise that when we are going there, we are going not as underdogs, but to bring back a medal. It is possible. The Hearing team had done it. They have proven, and by beating Poland, we are in the same shoes, and we have to go for the best in Japan.
Cricket enthusiast Bhavesh Gohil has promised a wide range of goodies